What's up, ladies? Ready to rock your world with some killer life hacks? Here are 10 life hacks every girl needs to know. 1. Got tangled jewelry? Use a straw to keep your necklaces knot-free. 1. Dry shampoo running low? Baby powder is your new BFF. 1. Nail polish drying too slow? Dunk those nails in ice water, it's like magic. 1. Pimples ruining your day? Dab on some honey and let it work its sweet magic. 1. Hair static driving you nuts? A dryer sheet can save the day. 1. Need to hide a bra strap? A paper clip is your undercover hero. 7. Shoes too tight? Freeze them with water bags inside. 1. Mascara clumpy? Warm it up in a cup of hot water. 1. Can't find an earring back? Use a pencil eraser in a pinch. 1. Want waves without heat? Braid damp hair before bed. Try these out and thank me later, ladies. Stay fabulous.